What is the public charge rule for immigrant families at USCIS? Imagine trying to plan your future in the United States and wondering what rules might affect your chances of staying or becoming a permanent resident. That's where understanding the public charge rule comes in. It's a policy used by U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services to decide if an immigrant might depend mainly on government support. If they are considered a public charge, it could make it harder to get a visa or a green card. So, what exactly does this rule look at? It mainly considers whether someone has received certain types of public benefits that show reliance on government cash assistance or long-term care in a government-funded institution. For example, if an immigrant receives cash benefits like temporary assistance for needy families or supplemental security income, that might be seen as a sign they could become a public charge. But if they only use other services, like Medicaid for health care that is not long-term, food stamps, or housing assistance, those are not counted. It's important to know that benefits received by family members or children do not count against the immigrant applying for status. So, if a child gets food stamps or Medicaid, it does not affect the parent's immigration process. Also, some groups are exempt from the public charge test altogether. These include refugees, asylees, victims of trafficking, and certain humanitarian statuses like VAWA self-petitioners or TNU visa holders. Benefits they receive while in these statuses do not count even if they later apply for a green card. Another key point is the affidavit of support. This is a legal document from a sponsor promising to support the immigrant financially. Having a sponsor can work in favor of the applicant during the public charge assessment. The current rule, which has been in place since December 23, 2022, is similar to the policy used from 1999 to 2019. It rolled back the stricter rules from the previous administration, making it easier for families to use public benefits without fear. For Latino families, it's good to remember that using health care, nutrition programs, or housing assistance generally will not harm your immigration chances. Emergency disaster relief is also safe to use. Still, it's wise to talk to a qualified legal advisor if you have questions about your specific situation. Knowing these facts helps families make informed choices about accessing services that support health and well-being without risking their immigration status.